Hello guys, my name is Jack. Today I'm part of the Nerf Gun Bros, and you guys are gonna get a quick look at this plane. It actually does really good. I'm gonna move this out of the way and try to hit my screen right there. See if it works. I'll be honest. I'll try it again 2 times. The aim on this thing is like pretty good. I wouldn't say it's that good, but like when I was testing it upstairs when I made it, this thing was good. Like really good, really good. It doesn't go exact where you want it, but if I come back here, it will probably go at least to where my screen is. So, yeah, let's test it. If you saw that, that was crazy. I got some color. It's got wings right here. This thing is just really cool. Got a little thing in the front right here. Got things in the back. Now I will show you guys how to make this. Once I'm done this video, I'll probably make another video. It'll be the same dark color because it's nighttime. It's like 7 o'clock. I would have had a soccer game and this video wouldn't even be made right now. But I would be at my soccer game, but it started at 7, and my mom works at Villanova, and I live in Plymouth Meeting. I'm not going to tell my exact address, but I live in Plymouth Meeting. And she works at, like, Villanova, a college, and she couldn't get home in time to where I live, and she lives, to get to my soccer game all the way in Philadelphia for the Union. But yeah, so we got this. It's just cool. It's just like really cool. Like it will go from all the way back here probably to my screen. Oh, did you guys see that? That was actually sick. It went like this, and then you could literally see the colors going. It's like, and then it hit my, like if you guys saw that, it like hit my screen right there, and then bounced off, and then went like this. And you guys saw that. That was just crazy. This thing has range 100%. I would 100% say this thing is just really, really cool. Overall, range is 1 point, colors 2 points. I'll be showing you guys another point, 3 points. Aim, I'll give it a point. That was pretty good at the end. Like I wouldn't expect a paper airplane, especially like this like flimsy paper, to go like there. But that was just sick. That was pretty cool. I'm not even lying. That was really cool. This thing is really cool. Like, I mean, look at it. First of all, if you could see it, it looks really cool. If not, okay. But yeah, this thing is really cool. What the heck? Now it's starting to go downhill, but I would say this thing, pretty good. Lines, veins, stuff. I will tell you exactly how to make this. In this exact room. I'll have to just move this painting. Have to like put it right there and so you guys, oh, this is a printer, by the way, and then you guys could like see like me making it, and you guys can just look how to make it. Maybe I'll add some tape. I don't know, it's just gonna be really cool. Oh, I actually got paper right here. Oh, okay, that works. Look, you see? All I have to do is put it right there. You guys can see it. Anyway, peace out, like and subscribe. And I need you guys to subscribe. I need you guys to comment. I want to know if you like these videos. And if you don't subscribe, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. If you don't subscribe, spiders.